mini wontons. Do it this way because I want the wonton to be soft. You know, if you just pan fry it directly, it will be hard. It's still good that way, but I like it more, you know, fluffy. It will get fluffy, yeah, if I boil it before I pan fry them.